Even with the fog, Maine is a beautiful place. Today we are going to tackle stair removal. Let's get to it. Let's see just how well these stairs are made.
So look what we have here. Well, uninvited guests.
Each tread and riser was just kind of a rinse and repeat. I basically got the first level of the stairs taken out. I just need to finish exposing the back side of the chimney. On to the upper section of the stairs. Sorry for the shaky video, but everything kind of vibrates when you're cutting into this house. And here it is, the completion of the stair removal. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.